Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this carpet cleaner below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, and if you have pets and carpets, this one is specifically built for you. The headline feature is the CleanShot Pretreater with OXY formula, which permanently removes pet stains and eliminates tough odors, and we're talking serious odors like cat urine and even skunk. StainProtect technology also creates a protective layer after cleaning that actively prevents future stains from setting in. The cleaning power comes from dual DirtLifter PowerBrushes, double brush rolls that give you twice the scrubbing action compared to a single brush system, pulling out deep down embedded dirt and hair that a regular vacuum simply can't reach. You get two different cleaning modes depending on the situation. Max Clean mode delivers the most thorough deep clean for serious stains and heavy pet messes. Express Clean mode is faster and leaves carpets dry in about 30 minutes, useful when you need a quick turnaround before guests arrive or kids come home. For furniture and stairs, the included 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool removes both wet and dry pet hair along with embedded stains from sofas, pet beds, and stairs. There's also a 3-inch tough stain tool and an 8-foot hose for reaching awkward spots. Freshness is maintained ongoing too. The brush rolls are antimicrobial and the FreshStart dirt tank continuously helps prevent odors building up inside the machine itself between uses. Maintenance is simple with the EZ one-piece removable brush roll cover, making it easy to clean the brushes without a complicated disassembly process. It also comes with two formulas included, BISSELL Pro Max Clean and Protect, and BISSELL Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator, so you're ready to tackle pet messes immediately out of the box. Overall, if pet stains and odors on your carpets are a constant battle, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus is built specifically for that problem and handles it better than almost anything else at this price. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.